and welcome to Carolina Women. We are here today in Bluffton. It's absolutely glorious. We're at the Wright Family Park, if I can say that. Erin, great to see you. We are here today. Andrew Ahmann, great to see you. Southern Marsh Nursery. Let's talk nursery. We're in this glorious place. Talk to us about what you do.
So Southern Marsh Nursery, we started 10 years ago, and we try to make your outside beautiful, your outside living. People love to be outside.
Yes.
And so we supply, everybody talks about us with, it's the place with all the fountains and the pottery, the statuary.
Okay, all right.
And then once they get on the property, they're like, wow, this property is big.
Where are you located?
We're located out on May River Road, on the way to Savannah by the roundabout, 190 May River Road.
Okay.
Next door to Dollar General.
Oh, I know right where you
I
are.
know
So, yeah.
exactly where you are. Yes.
So
Great
what is
location.
hip and cool this year? What is
Right.
trending? What is the look? Are we doing more natural indigenous? Are we doing coiffed English gardens?
People are doing everything.
Okay.
They always want something different. The other day, peonies.
Ooh,
Everybody
I love
wants to know about
peonies. Love
peonies
them.
because it's a northern plant. And I used to be asked for it all the time.
Okay.
So last year I was like, okay, we're gonna bring it in.
Yep.
We brought it in, we sold a lot of them, and we overwintered a lot.
Okay.
All of them came back that overwintered at the nursery, and they look great. We brought more in this year, we're selling a lot of those.
Are they
Okay.
easy to care
So
for?
they're easy to care
They
for.
are
That's the key word.
Yes, I agree.
And then we get asked a lot of stuff for stuff people have up
Yeah.
north.
Okay.
A lilac bush. So last year we did the same thing. We brought some lilacs in.
Nice.
We sold a lot of them. One overwintered there. It came back out. It already sold. There is a dwarf lilac. It's much smaller and it does good in this area. It doesn't have the strong aroma.
Okay.
Like the jasmine, for instance?
Jasmine has strong aroma, does great on trellises.
Does it? What's your background? How did you get even
Right.
into this?
So I grew up on a family farm, and
In Washington State.
In Washington State, I played in dirt my whole life.
Okay.
Because you were one of
eight.
8 kids. You play in a lot of dirt when you're one of 8.
So my parents had me entertained out there on the farm playing in dirt. I never thought I was very smart to sit behind an office desk the whole time. Now that's all I do is sit behind the desk.
That's the way it works. Isn't it?
So I grew up on a farm, went to college, got a turf degree.
Did you get turf?
Yeah,
Okay.
so I got a crop and soil science
Did
degree.
you just swallow a no-see-em?
I think I ate a no-see-em.
Might have been.
yes. So I got a crop and soil degree with turf grass.
Okay.
Worked at golf courses, helped rebuild golf courses.
Oh, interesting.
Built new ones, did reconstructions of some. Then I was like, it's time for a change. Became a certified arborist, studied trees, and I specialized in
That's amazing.
preserving trees. So
Okay.
I would identify the stresses, diseases, insects on really trees.
Okay.
Never removing trees. And then if the tree absolutely needed to be removed, we'd refer other landscape.
Certified
Find
arborists
that
are
our
amazing.
climate here and our, ecosystem makes it a really unique place to do what you do.
Oh, this is everybody from up anywhere. I don't care if you're deep Florida to New York.
Right.
They come here and they go, oh, we thought it would be so easy to grow plants here. We thought we'd have the most color. This is probably one of the hardest areas to grow plants.
Why is
Interesting.
that? Sandy soil?
We're not really in the tropical zone,
Okay.
and we're not really in a colder zone. We're in that weird zone.
Okay.
So our zone can grow a lot of tropics because we get so hot in the summer,
Okay, so a
but
lot
they
of
can't
succulents.
survive in the winter.
For instance, when we get snow and ice.
Yep. And then our area also could do a lot of the northern plants because we
Okay.
do get fairly cold in the
Yeah,
winter.
we do.
So it's a very tricky area. And I tell people all the time, well, if you do want that plant, usually it's about $30 for a small one.
Right.
Do you want to gamble?
Exactly.
And if
Wow.
it survives, then guess what? You got the one of a very few plants in this
Yeah.
area that is working. So yeah.
Oh, I mean, I think it's amazing. We would love to have you back. I have a lot of questions. I
do
want to
too.
really ask about professionals that you have that work with you also. Will you come back and see us again?
Yes, I'd love to come back anytime.
You
All
are
right.
amazing. Stay with us. There's a lot more to come here at the Wright Family Park in Bluffton on Carolina Women.